Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare linear versus binary search in Python. We'll explore how each algorithm works, their fundamental differences, and when to use one over the other. Understanding these search methods is crucial for efficient data handling. Linear search is straightforward, checking each item sequentially, while binary search is much faster, but requires sorted data. Let's dive into the details and see how these two approaches tackle the challenge of finding elements within a list. Linear search is the simplest approach, iterating through each item one by one until the target is located or the end of the list is reached. Imagine looking for a book on an unsorted shelf. You check each book in order. This means that in the worst-case scenario, you might have to check every single item. For a list of 100 items, you might perform up to 100 comparisons. It's easy to implement, but not always the most efficient. Binary search is a powerful algorithm that thrives on sorted data. It begins by comparing the target value to the middle element of the list. If they don't match, it eliminates the half where the target cannot lie and continues the process on the remaining half. This divide-and-conquer strategy dramatically reduces the number of comparisons. For instance, searching a list of 1,024 items would take at most 10 comparisons, a huge improvement over linear search. When choosing between these two, consider your data. If your list is small or frequently updated and unsorted, linear search is perfectly fine. However, for large datasets that are sorted or can be sorted once, binary search is the clear winner. Its log n complexity means it scales incredibly well. For example, finding an item in a list of 1 billion elements would take around 30 comparisons with binary search versus potentially 1 billion with linear search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.